When you are building your AI-first product, be it as a startup or be it as an established company, remember one thing: UI cannot be your bottleneck. Icanpreneur is an AI-first software company that is aimed to boost significantly the odds of success of founders. One of the biggest challenges that founders have is to understand that you cannot just provide a wrapper around those LLMs because you'll be wiped out. Very often teams are actually stitching AI features, be it a chatbot or something, into their existing products in a way that feels not native, so to say. It's disconnected and users are disappointed. As engineers, for years we felt like gods because whatever we say to the machine, it does it. And all of a sudden, this predictability went away. The applications have to have a reasonably good way to handle that unpredictability. It has to be flexible. Kendo UI actually is not just our UI layer. It is an infrastructure layer for us. When we started our company, we were aware of that fact, where our focus should be, and we knew that we need a lot of help on the UI side. That's why we've partnered with Progress, Day Zero. Progress provides the design systems and the primitives that the designer needs to build the wireframes. At the same time, they exactly match what the developer is capable to achieve on the other side. We are able to collaborate with our designers flawlessly. They need sorting, filtering, we just started. They need a complex interaction between these screens and the next one, and it works. Master details, boom. It is critical in those cases to have this UI layer and the flexibility in it to expand it, combine it in ways that haven't been done before. The result of using KendoReact for us was as if we were a 6-people team. It was like we were hundreds, and that's not an exaggeration at all. Typically, companies that start using Progress and KendoReact says that what used to take months now take weeks. For us, that's not the case. Why? Because Day Zero, we started with Progress. We never felt the pain of months. For us, it has always been days. After so much effort that we've put in the AI layer, was so beautifully exposed by the UI, and Progress deserves a huge credit for that. It's not your job to build the UI components infrastructure layer. It's your job to find the best partner and use it in the best possible way to bring this beautiful experience that your customers deserve. Think deeply how you can leverage AI in a way that can accelerate the performance of humans that are using your product, ground them in deep, real insights. And I'm repeating that to every person that I meet who asks me, how do you get those beautiful UIs? We get it because we are partnering with the best in the industry.